Hello, welcome to our channel again. Today I'm going to show you how we installed our drip irrigation system for the avocado trees. This is me doing it, and as you can see, there are tools that you need to have. One, you need a hole puncher for the HDPE pipe. And then we have the drip tape connector or drip line connector with a tap. And we are using that because we use gravity pressure. So we need the taps so that we can be able to open each individual line at a time, or maybe two, depending on the pressure. And we have, that's the drip tap connector. Have to push it in. It's a bit tough, so that's gone into the HDPE. So now I'm connecting the drip tape or the drip line, which will cut some holes where the avocado trees are, each individually, so that we can be watering. That's the land that we reclaimed after drilling the borehole. You can see how it has been transformed. When we started planting the avocado, we removed all the pipes, and now we are using them to install a new system for the avocado. So you punch the hole on the main pipe that is going to supply water to the drip lines, push in the drip connector, which has a tap. It has to be tight with a washer. That's to prevent water from leaking from that HDPE pipe. Instead, it just goes straight to the drip tap. From there, I'll connect the drip tap, which goes all the way to that line, which has about 12 avocado trees. The most important tool to have is the pipe puncher. Ours is a 16 mm because our drip pipes are 16 mm. We are reusing the pipes for the avocado trees to cut on cost of buying new pipes. These are from a previous system where we were doing a different type of farming. This is a fuete, and it's a cross-pollinator for the Hass. So we have a mixture of fuete to help in pollination. And that's done. So we'll lay the pipes, and in the next video, when the rain season is over, we'll start drip irrigating. So I'll do a video and show you how our system is working. This is a DIY installation. This is our avocado trees. A different block, not the first block that I shared in my previous video. So this is a block where we had the borehole drilled. You can see how beautiful the land has become because we reclaimed it when we got water. The transformation of this piece of land, it's just amazing. If you have bare land, it can be transformed to be productive. This is what we did. We reclaimed our land, which was not in use for over 30 years. the soil regenerated, and it is impressively good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share. See you in our next video. Bye.